good, YouTube? We're back with our first full video other than short on our vinyl wrap. As you can see, we got a box Chevy. Don't really know what color we going with yet, but stay tuned. For those of you who know, we've been doing raps, car raps, all that stuff, but usually I just upload shorts. But I'm about to start doing full videos, full content. So just stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, and I'll get back with you when we start, get ready to start on it. Yeah, stay tuned.